Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn 10 lines on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Let's start. First line is Our country India got independence on 15th August 1947 after a long struggle. Second line is the name of the celebration of 75 years of this precious independence is आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव. Third, the festival has been started on 12 March 2021, 75 weeks before the 75th anniversary of independence, and its programs will run till the year 2023. Fourth line is the purpose of celebrating Amrit Mahotsav is to make people aware about the sacrifices of freedom fighters. Fifth line is this Mahotsav will give inspiration to move forward to realize the dreams of independent India. Sixth, efforts are being made to promote the Vocal for Local campaign through this event. Seventh, during these various programs, related to The freedom struggle will be organized for 75 weeks across the country. 8. Through which an attempt will be made to give the message of patriotism and show a glimpse of Indian culture. 9th, this Mahotsav has given us an opportunity to know and assess our weaknesses, but do not ashamed of them. 10. If the country continues on the path of modernity with its cultural identity, in this way, then surely one day India will become a world leader and stand as a superpower. So friends, in this way you can easily write 10 lines on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe our channel.